Welcome to today's Explainer. We are jumping right in because we have a super important goal today, fixing those simple little grammar mistakes that keep costing you easy marks right before exam day. If you're prepping for your Cambridge checkpoint, you are in exactly the right place.
So, let's talk about this. Are you losing easy marks? Honestly, nobody wants to fail on grammar concepts they already know. But in the rush of an exam, it's so easy to forget the basics. Today, we're going to train our eyes to spot those mistakes long before the examiner ever sees them.
A strong checkpoint paper really boils down to 4 core pillars. You always need accurate verbs, clear punctuation, correct pronouns, and logical sentence links. Nailing these details shows the examiner you are fully in control of your English. Rule number 1. Let's look closely at accurate verbs. We're starting here because this is exactly where so many easy marks just disappear on test day. Think of verbs as the engine of your sentence. If the engine is broken, well, the whole sentence is going nowhere.
Take a look at these 2 examples. Notice how just one missing letter makes the first sentence completely incorrect. He play. It sounds a little off, right? But change it to he plays, and it flows perfectly. Literally, one tiny letter S is the difference between losing a mark and getting a perfect score. And that brings us to our first golden rule. In the simple present tense, the pronouns he, she, and it absolutely must have that S added to the end of the verb. He plays, she writes, it works. If you're writing about one person or thing in the present, never forget your S.
Okay, let's move on to a really common past tense mistake and fix it step by step. Step 1 shows the error. Did you went? For step 2, we just cross out that word went. And in step 3, we replace it to build the correct sentence. Did you go? But why exactly do we do this? Here's the secret. Whenever you use the word did in a question, your next verb must be in its base form. You see, the word did is already in the past tense. It's already doing all the heavy lifting for you. So the verb that follows it just needs to be its normal base self. Did you go? Did he see? Never did you went. Moving on to rule 2, clear punctuation and logical sentence linking. These are the specific structural details examiners hunt for. It's how they decide if you're a foundation learner or an advanced writer who is totally ready for IGCSE. Listen closely to the difference between these two. After the lesson, we practiced, versus after the lesson, we practiced. The second one is correct because of one tiny but absolutely vital punctuation mark, right in the middle. This perfectly illustrates our next rule. Introductory phrases always need a comma to create a slight, natural pause for the reader. After the lesson, pause, we practiced. Dropping that comma right there tells the examiner you know exactly how to organize your thoughts. Now let's compare these 2 ideas. We want to see how choosing the right linking word completely changes your sentence logic. I was tired, but I slept early. That doesn't really make sense, does it? But shows a contrast. Now compare that to I was tired, so I slept early. That flows perfectly. The rule here is super simple. You must use the word so when you want to clearly show the result of an action. Because I was tired, the result was that I slept early. Choosing the exact right linking word proves you are a mature, thoughtful writer. All right, we've covered the rules. Now it's your turn. We're going to do a quick 3-question challenge. I'll show you a mistake, give you a second to think about it, and then we'll reveal the answer together. Ready? Question 1. Fix the verb in this sentence. She walked to school. Take a look and find the missing letter in this verb. Remember our simple present rule? Got it? Excellent job if you added the simple present S to make the verb walks. The correct sentence is, she walks to school. Because we use the pronoun she, the verb absolutely needs that S. Let's try question 2. Fix the question. Did he saw it? Read this past tense question carefully and try to spot the verb mistake. Think back to our rule about the word did. Have an answer? If you spotted the error, fantastic work. Because we use the word did, the verb saw must change back to its base form, which is see. So the correct question is, did he see it? And here is our final challenge, question 3. Choose the correct link. I was hungry, blank, I ate lunch. Are you going to use but or so? Which word logically shows the result of being hungry? Think about it. Great work if you chose so. Eating lunch is the direct, logical result of being hungry. I was hungry, so I ate lunch. You are doing incredibly well with these.
Okay, let's quickly review our model sentences on this review card. I highly recommend grabbing a screenshot of this so you don't forget. Number 1, always check your presence S, like in he plays. Number 2, always use base verbs after did, like did you go? And number 3, remember your introductory commas, like after the lesson, we practiced. Save this rule, keep it fresh in your mind, and you will absolutely stop losing those easy marks. Make sure you subscribe to fix even more mistakes before your final checkpoint exam. Keep practicing, stay focused, and ask yourself, what other easy marks are hiding in your writing right now, just waiting to be rescued by a simple grammar fix? See you in the next explainer.